Everybody, 1, 2, 3. And look at you.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are.
1, 2, 3.
What up, fam? Vlog.
Welcome back to the vlog. This is the vlog channel.
Vlog.
Vlog.
Dad.
These are all our packages that your girl have bought this week from Amazon, and the kids want to open them, so we're just gonna let them open. Hey, and you don't pop on everybody.
Them bolts.
They what?
I don't know.
They bolts. How you know? I think you might be right though. Oh, it's in a box. We're gonna put them to the side. I think these are, oh, these are bed rail rackets.
Oh.
That's for your daddy building upside bed.
So that's for the next bed. That's for the bed. That's for the bed too, mommy.
I don't know.
Let's see. What is for these? And take
You
it
wanna
out.
open that one, babe?
Can I take it out?
It's just a little
This
box.
one too.
This one is for your girl. We got some
Mom, I'm gonna open this one.
nipple butter. I don't think y'all can see.
I wanna open this package. Can I open this package?
That's for me. Yeah, you can open that one.
I'm opening this one. Oh, I got it. I got it. Mommy, I opened it. Wow. What is it? Oh, it's two things. Bed things. This.
Let me see. Show the fam.
I need to show this to the fam.
Yeah.
I can't open. My one is this.
It's a blanket for your baby brother.
Handle. It's
Yep.
right handle.
Yep.
Like, can we open this package?
Yeah. Hold on. We gotta do it one at a time. Let's open this one.
Okay.
That one for babe. You open this one. Hey, you okay?
Who's this one?
I don't know. We just gonna open them all one at a time. You pull out what's in this one.
Now can you open this one, Mommy?
No, we're opening this one.
It's a box in there. And some more blankets for Andal. It's more blankets and a box. That's a box blanket. It's a box blanket.
Show the fam.
That's a box blanket.
Mm-hmm.
For your little bottle.
Yep.
Now we can open this one. Open it, babe.
Wait, Aiden, Fritz, there's still something in this one.
Ow! It's
This one is underwear.
underwear for who?
For who? Who you think?
Andal.
Nope.
Andal.
Nope. Yep, it's for babe. Babe, you got some underwear.
Underwear. We can open
You gonna go to the toilet like a big boy?
Wait, what's
I
that?
think Dun just put that in there. We already opened that one. Here, let babe open this one.
Oh yes, see what's inside there. They're not another Sonic Action. No. I would like popping.
Oh, really, babe?
Yep, popping.
This is a... Hey, no yelling.
No.
No yelling. Give it back to him.
This
This is a clothes hamper for Andal. Yep. Let's open it. Right.
Oh, we're gonna open that. Wow, that's cool. Now you have to open this one now.
Okay, wait. We gotta open this one and show the fam.
Whoa, that's cool.
So this is for his. Yep, for Andal.
Now, yes, do this one.
Okay.
No.
Let him see it, babe. Let him see it. You get another one, huh?
Well, which one I
Okay. It's no milk in that right there. Post some in there from the
I don't double packages on my side. Now we will open it. Shit.
Alright, there you go, Drew.
I'm gonna open this. Wow, it stinks for it. More wax. No, this is my wax, babe. No. More poppy. More wax.
There you go.
Me. And this is for Angela.
Yep.
What is it?
Wait. Let me see that.
That's the directions for it.
That looks, no, this is who bought it.
Oh, this is a baby wipe.
Oh, this is from Sharon Johnson. Thank you. Shout out to you.
And look.
Yep, that's for your baby brother.
This is for let's open this one.
Hold on.
What are those
This
things?
is some vapor rub that we got for the coughing kids.
Now this one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open it.
Hey, you didn't take my wallet thing, did it?
I did.
Wow! You cut the hard shit.
Oh, it's still in the car?
Huh?
Can I open
What?
it?
So we got some hospital.
Neil.
No, mommy has to do it with scissors. I picked this one.
Forget that. Let Bay open it.
Wow! Wait, it's another. Wait, it's more suckles for you. Mine is your package.
Yep, that's my package.
And then more bubble wrap for babe. Wait, this
I didn't have
that.
Here.
And you can
I
have
think
these.
this.
Babe, that's for Aiden.
Okay, here.
Babe, here your bubble wrap, Aiden. Here, babe.
I think this last one is from the fam too. Hey, you okay?
Oh!
Yeah, we finna open that for you, Mr. Kaufman. That's for you.
Oh,
Oh, be
it's
careful.
Mine's a timer on it.
Yeah, that's for me so I can feed your baby brother.
It got drips and two
Go.
drips and...
Let me see it so I can show the fam.
More drips.
And more drips.
Yeah, look, it got buttons and it got
And we
an
got
off button.
Fingernail clippers.
That's the other one.
I don't know if y'all can see.
Wait,
There we go.
some more diapers. That was the other one.
And a
Wait,
breast.
what's this thing? Got a cone and a bowl. I
You
want
got
them.
more? That's diapers.
Diapers.
Let's see who they are from.
Oh, it's
Gotta
this
see.
thing. Oh, what's this? Oh,
Oh, they bought the same thing I bought. So now we got 2 clippers.
no.
More clippers.
No.
Let's see who it's from.
Pacifiers. These are bandages.
Oh, this is from Sharon Johnson too.
Mom?
Shout out to you. Say thank you, fam.
Thank you, fam. These bandages.
Those are trash bags for stinky diapers.
Oh.
Tell the fam thanks for watching. The camera finna die.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. F-E-L-I-G-A-R-S.
Yes, but that's backwards. Y'all reading backwards. You gotta go the other way.
F-R-A-G-I-L-E.
It say fragile.
What does that mean?
That means you gotta be very careful with it. So the stuff on the inside won't break. Okay, y'all ready to open it?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't open it.
All of us, all y'all finna open it. The fam sent it for y'all. Max D from the fam sent it to you. Yeah, we finna open it. Tell the fam thank you.
Thank you.
You see broken glass?
Yeah, broken glass in here.
It's not broken. Y'all can pull the stuff out.
This have that's not
It's a cup. It's not glass.
Wait, what? What?
It just looks like that. That's nice. You like that?
Yeah.
That's cool, huh?
Oh, it pulls on here. It's two.
Let me see those.
cups.
Let me see those, Aiden Fritz.
It's 2 cups. It's a blue.
Those look like that's for the baby.
This is 2 cups.
Be careful.
Oh, new toothbrushes again.
Cool.
Where are they? New toothbrushes. Okay.
Oh, be careful.
Paw Patrol thing. What is this?
You have to look and see.
What is that? We can't open this.
Yeah, we can. Look, we got to look at everything in the box first. Wait.
And there's a spider.
It's a name on it. Look, that says for Aiden.
Which one?
This one, yeah. Give it back to him. The whole bag. Say thank you, Aiden Fritz.
Thank you. This one mine?
This one, yep. This one says for Andrew.
Oh, Andrew.
Yep, there you go.
What is that? Oh,
Yep, that's for you, babe. No, that say Aiden. How'd you get that? That say Aiden.
It's candy in here. Don't eat this.
Yeah, not yet. You can eat it later. There you go, babe, down there.
Tail.
Look.
Wait, what are these? All balloons.
I think this one.
Balloons.
Yep, that.
Can't open these.
Here you go, babe. That one for you. say thank you, babe.
Thank you, babe.
No, you have to say thank you, Max D.
Thank you, Maxie. I opened it. Can we open
Say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Not thank you, everybody.
Thank you. I got
Y'all get it? Yes, you can open it. Okay, as y'all can see,
You can open.
they're excited to open this stuff. Shout out to Max D. Thank you. We got an empty box. Say thank you, D Don Don. I think your bag right here.
I got food. What?
That's for you.
Wait,
That's for Don
there's
Don.
2 of them for us.
Yeah, you got one of those.
Yeah. Wait, the drum's supposed to be red.
And you got some cups, D Don
I
Don.
got balloons too. I got balloons. Oh, these are not the balloons. They are the coloring balloons. They got whole things.
Oh, look, you got some snacks.
Oh, snacks. What are these? And how do you open yours?
And we have a little baby over there crying, so we have to go.